Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. First, I want to say thank you so much for all the support that you give me on this channel throughout all of these bad months that we've been through. I really do appreciate you being here from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to ask y'all a question right off the bat today. What would you like to see in a stimulus package just to get us through until next year, when they say a real stimulus package will be coming and it will be agreed on? Let me know in the comments what would be in the stimulus package if you wrote it. And just keep in mind, this is just to get us through until the first of next year when they say the bigger package is coming. I thought about it and I want to let you know what I would want in my package. This is what I would want in the Walter Weyburn stimulus package. First, unemployment boost of $300 until the next package comes out. Not until the first of the year, but until the next package comes out. I would want state and local funding of $160 billion until the next package comes out. I would want stimulus checks of $2,000 for all adults until the next package comes out. This would be reoccurring until it comes out. Stimulus checks of $500 for all dependents, no age limit, until the next package comes out. And that would keep it simple. I would keep it as simple as possible, and I would make it happen now. No negotiations at all. Just put it in the bill and get it passed now. The heck with the negotiations. We see what that gets us. But our worthless government can't do this. Why? Because it helps the American people and not just their rich friends on Wall Street. You know, the Wall Street bunch, you know, the ones that gives millions of dollars to their campaign funds? Those friends. It's just the good old boy system hard at work in our government, and we see it every day. Y'all, I know you don't want to hear this. Hell, I don't even want to say it. But have you noticed that every year around Christmas time, something really bad happens? As we move closer and closer to Christmas, and the way the people are hurting right now, I really don't have a good feeling. It's like I'm waiting on something bad to happen. It could happen anytime. I don't think it will be long until the American people will be pushed to the ends of their rope. And when that happens, I think it will be an uprising like the United States has never seen before. Y'all, they may think that the Civil War was bad, the Boston Tea Party was bad. All of these wars that we've had amongst ourselves has been bad. They may think they was bad, but it will pale in the comparison of what can happen today. I pray nothing like this happens, but every day it goes by and I just think about it more and more. It could really happen. Joe Biden is still pushing for stimulus checks. He still says if it don't happen before he takes office, he will, by executive order, send out stimulus checks of $1,200 and $500 to the people. I've said it before, I hope he can do this. President Trump said that he was going to do it, and then he found out he couldn't do it. He didn't have the power. Now, I hope Joe Biden will have the power. I'm not taking sides, y'all. I don't know if Joe Biden is going to take office or is Donald Trump going to stay in office. we just have to wait and see. I'm not taking sides there. But if Joe Biden takes office, he says he's going to send us a stimulus check. I just hope he can. Y'all, I feel something bad is about to happen. And by them saying that they're going to send an executive order of a stimulus check right after the election, when they know Donald Trump couldn't do it, do they also feel something bad is about to happen and they're trying to hold it off a little bit longer? Just something to think about. Y'all, our government has divided our great country so much that we can't even trust the people right next door anymore. And if you have half a brain, you dare not put any political stickers on your cars. Everyone is at so close to the edge. A sticker on your car may push them right off the edge. I feel like there's three driving forces behind all this division in our country. And those three forces are Nancy Pelosi, the Mooch Man McConnell, and President Trump. With all their finger pointing and blaming everyone else for everything that's going wrong. But they never want to look in the mirror at their own faces when they do this. I really believe those three people is our biggest problem right now. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think about this. What do you think about these three people? And how much better off do you think the country would be without these three people? Or do you agree with these three people? Let me know. You're not going to hurt my feelings. I want to know what you feel about it. Also, this little down payment stimulus check that they're talking about right now. Do you think for 1 minute, if we get that little down payment right after the first of the year, they're really going to send out a bigger stimulus check right after? Come on, get real. They're not going to do that. So if we do get this small down payment, I got a strong feeling that will be the last payment we get. We have people like Joe Manchin say that we don't need a stimulus check at all. He says we need a relief bill, not a stimulus bill. You know, he's a millionaire. So he don't know what it's like not to be able to put food on your family for Christmas. They don't know what it's like to face foreclosure. They don't know what it's like to face being evicted. They don't know what it's like having your power and gas turned off in the middle of winter. The Mooch Man, we all know that he don't want a stimulus check. I mean, he even said put the brakes on spending. And he took the stimulus checks out of the package. And now he says we do need it, but do you really believe him now? But the Mooch Man don't want stimulus checks. So why would he say yes to a down payment and then right after the first of the year say yes to a bigger payment? It's not going to happen. Nancy Pelosi has been trying to get us a bigger stimulus check for 6 months now. She said no to everything. She said no when she should have said yes. If she said yes a few times, we would have had a stimulus check by now. And it would have been a $1,200 and a $500 checks. But she kept saying no. Now that's off the table. She hurt us more than anyone, I believe. But there is still a chance that she could have a change of heart and refuse this bill, this package, without a $1,200 stimulus check. There's still hope. Right now, we can just hope that they will do the right thing. I don't believe they know what the right thing is, though. They wouldn't know the right thing if it jumped up and bit them on the butt. Y'all keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He's going to see us through all of this crap. And Let me know what you would put in a stimulus package if it was you writing it. I would definitely put $2,000 a month until the pandemic is over. Y'all let me know what you think. Please watch this video that's popping up here now. That was me and my wife's show last night at 9 p.m. We have these shows every night at 9 p.m. We don't talk stimulus, we don't talk politics, Bitcoin, or nothing like that over there. We just have a lot of stupid, crazy fun. That's our escape from all of this crap. So y'all check it out. You might like it. And if you don't like it, you don't have to come back. But please, do me this one solid and come watch it one time. Y'all, I love you all. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He will get us through all of this stuff. Say a prayer for our country. Say a prayer for our leaders. Say a prayer for all the people that's been hurt by COVID, all the families that have been destroyed by COVID, all the families that have been destroyed and hurt by our government. Say a prayer for everyone around the world. The whole world needs a healing, and only Jesus Christ can do that. I love you all. Please come back. Until then, ciao.